Top 6. Best Compound Miter Saws. If you're looking for the best compound miter saws, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
You need power to get the job done, but the power cord keeps you tied down. DeWalt changes the game with FlexVolt. Now you have the power of corded and freedom of cordless. We're talking the most advanced cordless system we've designed. FlexVolt is the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. In 20-volt max tools, the 15-cell battery delivers 4 times the runtime of the compact 20-volt max battery. Slide the FlexVolt battery into the new line of 60-volt max brushless tools and the battery automatically switches to series, delivering 60 volts of cordless tool performance. Double up 2 FlexVolt batteries for 120-volt max. That's enough to power a 12-inch sliding miter saw. It's the completely cordless, completely flexible job site. It's the freedom to get right to work without the hassle of extension cords. And your FlexVolt battery is compatible with your existing 20-volt max tools and chargers, part of our fastest growing cordless system. So when you need the power to get the job done right, don't reach for a corded tool. DeWalt FlexVolt gives you the power to cut the cord and power up your job site. FlexVolt. Power of corded. Freedom of cordless. Built. Guaranteed tough.
Of the tool. The new Glide Saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The Glide Saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts. And a push-button miter detent override makes it simple to precisely set any neighboring angle. The Glide Saw also automatically adapts to 1 1/4 inch and 35mm vacuum hoses, so both the work and the workspace stay cleaner. The new Axial Glide Miter Saw from Bosch. For general carpenters and remodelers, for finish carpenters, for cabinet and furniture makers, for anyone who values accuracy, durability, and unparalleled smooth precision for the life of the saw. Evolutionary performance, revolutionary design.
There's a revolution in miter saws, the Delta Cruiser miter saws. the latest in power tool engineering. Born from military-grade aluminum, they're built with patented technology and easy-to-use features like front bevel and miter release for fast adjustments. These saws have the latest technology and the quality users demand. And they have the largest crosscut capacity in their class. The robotic arms have 12 individual bearings for incredible accuracy and smoothness. The 15-amp industrial motor has a belt drive system for smooth cutting and quick motor braking. The Shadow Guide LED light system indicates blade travel and lights up the workspace. It has a 52-degree left and 60-degree right miter capacity with 10 detents, or bevel to 47 degrees left or right so you can cut it the way you see it. Delta Cruisers are built for years of trouble-free service, and they're backed by a 5-year Delta warranty. Insist on the newest miter saw technology, a Delta Cruiser. Available in 12-inch or 10-inch blade models. Delta, the measure of precision.
Seven and a quarter inch sliding miter saw kit. This saw's sliding rails allow for 8-inch max cross cuts, as well as nested crown molding cuts and vertical baseboard cuts. The miter allows for single bevel cuts and an LED cut line for added precision. The powerful V20 20-volt max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator allows for over 500 cuts on one charge, and the side handles make the lightweight saw easy to carry. Get the job done right with the V20 20-volt max 7 and a quarter inch sliding miter saw kit, part of the Craftsman V20 system. Craftsman, we build.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.